Hey guys, today I am going to show you how to download Assassin's Creed Unity's trainer that works on all versions. First, open any browser of your liking. Then type there, Assassin's Creed Unity trainer. Then click on the Nexus Mods link. It should take you to this page. This is a hex version of the trainer. It works on all versions of the game, either online or cracked. You need to log in order to download the trainer. The site is perfectly safe. Click on the manual download button. Then on the slow download button, it should take 5 seconds for the trainer to start. I have already downloaded it, so I won't. Once downloaded, extract the file. Then run the trainer. It has all the things needed in the game and its DLCs. Run the game and enjoy. If you like the video, please like it and subscribe to our channel and comment down on the video. I read all your comments, so feel free to ask anything. Till the next video, goodbye.